Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you getting ready to take the Pre-Kindergarten Education exam? This is Praxis test code 5531. Today we will focus on the content area of early childhood development. This section evaluates your understanding of how children grow and develop physically, socially, emotionally, and cognitively. And it also examines how factors such as family and individual characteristics can influence this development. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Question number 1. Carrie is a 1-year-old who loves to explore their environment. One of Carrie's favorite things to do is sit in front of the mirror, stare at herself, and wave. Her mom is excited that she has self-recognition. Carrie is also able to understand that even though her mother is not always in front of her, her mother still exists and will come to her aid soon. Which stage of cognitive development is Carrie currently at? Pre-operational, sensory motor, concrete operational, or formal operational? The concrete operational stage involves logical thinking about concrete events, but this occurs in older children. The formal operational stage involves abstract reasoning and hypothetical thinking, typically beginning around age 12. The pre-operational stage, occurring from about ages 2 to 7, includes symbolic play and egocentrism. However, Carrie, a 1-year-old who exhibits self-recognition and understands object permanence, is in the sensory motor stage. This stage, from birth to about 2 years, is characterized by learning through sensory experiences and manipulating objects. Question number 2. Brandon is a toddler whose vocabulary consists of labels such as doggy for all 4-legged animals and ball for anything round. His neighbor, Kara, who is a few months older, says thank you when given something, and good doggy when she sees the family pet respond to a command. Brandon exhibits this language style while Kara is developing that language. Social receptive, expressive referential, receptive social, or referential expressive. Social and receptive language styles involve interacting with others and understanding language, but Brandon's vocabulary use suggests otherwise. Expressive language focuses on communication, while referential language involves using labels for objects, which doesn't match Brandon's behavior. Receptive language refers to understanding, whereas social language involves interaction, not fitting Brandon's usage either. Brandon exhibits the referential language style using labels like doggy and ball, while Kara is developing expressive language using phrases like thank you and good doggy. Therefore, the correct answer is referential and expressive. Question number 3. How can you keep a student with food allergies safe in the cafeteria? Discourage unmonitored food sharing, especially among younger students. Find out if your school has allergen-free options and inform the parents. Encourage the creation of a safe zone where students may only sit if they have lunches free of allergen-containing food. Or all of these steps will help keep students safer. Discouraging unmonitored food sharing can prevent accidental exposure to allergens, but is not sufficient on its own. Finding out if your school has allergen-free options and informing parents is also important, but it's not the only step either. Encouraging the creation of a safe zone where students can sit only if they have allergen-free lunches is another effective measure, but still not comprehensive. The best approach here would be a combination of all of these steps. Therefore, the correct answer is all of these steps will help keep students safer. Question number 4. Which of the following describes the type of teaching that occurs when a teacher groups her students based on their skill level as seen in the image? Heterogeneously, differentiated, homogeneously, or flexible grouping. When a teacher groups students heterogeneously, it means mixing different skill levels, which is not what's depicted. Differentiated instruction tailors lessons to individual needs, but doesn't describe grouping by skill level. Flexible grouping allows for dynamic changes based on varying criteria, but it is broader in scope. The type of teaching that occurs when a teacher groups her students based on their skill level, as seen in the image, is homogeneous grouping. I hope this video has clarified the types of questions you will encounter in the Early Childhood Development section of the Praxis 5531 exam. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com's resources, you'll feel well-equipped and well-prepared for exam day. Best of luck with your preparations and your exam.